2001. Come, you can see this is base 3, this is base 9. What do? You change, normally we change to a smaller base. So base 3, 5x plus 6 stay on top, 9 stays down. Now what I do 9? 9 is actually 3 power 2. Okay, so this is 2, right? We can write this 2 straight away, right? Remember I said just now, if this is log a power n, the result is n. In fact, this is log a power n. Let's say this is m, this is a, answer is 1 over n. And if this is log a m, a n, answer n over m. Fast and furious, huh? Okay, so we can actually change this directly to 2, right? Then I multiply over, this is now log base 3x. There's a 2 here, right? Log 3, 5x plus 6. Bring the power up, this is x squared. Yeah, this is log base 3, 5x plus 6. Right? So by comparison, x squared is now 5x plus 6. So we're going to bring this over. Sorry, I continue here. X squared minus 5x minus 6 is 0. Double bracket factorize 6 and 1 minus and plus. X cannot be negative. Now remember, logarithm, you cannot log a negative number. So in the event that you get x value that is negative, you ignore it. Ignore negative value. I can't sub negative 1 inside. So we just take x equals to